So most of you may be familiar with the S2-Alar-Iliac screw in deformity surgery, lung construct, open surgery, which is quite useful and common. Over the last years, we have refined this technique for short, minimal invasive approach, and even with to treat pelvic and sacral fractures, even in fragility. In general, the entry point is quite similar to what you do in the open surgery. So you start here on between S1 and S2 foramen and just passing the SI joint to the ilium. So the problem is you need that direction. So using a minimal invasive approach, you might fight the soft tissue, as most of you may have done already. So if you use two Wilsey approaches like that, you can use the contralateral approach to pass the midline and to have a nice trajectory for putting in your screw. So you can use this approach to put in your screw to open up the trajectory. Just make sure that you're right. You're still in bone. You pass the iliac bone, and then you can put in your screw using this contralateral approach. So you can put in the screw and rest up with two of these tiny approach. So you have a real minimal invasive approach for a really solid construct.